Amazon is a multinational technology company based in the United States. It was founded by Jeff Bezos in 1994 as an online marketplace for books. Over the years, Amazon has grown exponentially and expanded its offerings to include a vast range of products, services, and digital content. Today, Amazon is one of the world's largest e-commerce platforms and a dominant player in various industries, including retail, cloud computing, digital streaming, and artificial intelligence. The company operates through numerous subsidiaries and divisions, each serving different markets and industries. Key aspects of Amazon's business include 1. E-commerce. Amazon operates various online marketplaces across different countries, allowing customers to purchase a wide range of products, including electronics, books, apparel, household items, and more. It offers a convenient shopping experience with options for fast delivery and competitive prices. 2. Amazon Prime. Amazon Prime is a subscription service that provides customers with benefits such as free 2-day shipping on eligible items, access to streaming services like Prime Video and Prime Music, exclusive deals, and more. Prime has become a significant driver of customer loyalty and engagement for Amazon. 3. Amazon Web Services, AWS. AWS is Amazon's cloud computing platform, offering a wide range of scalable and secure cloud services to businesses, government organizations, and individuals. It provides infrastructure services, data storage, computing power, analytics tools, and more, enabling businesses to build and manage applications and services efficiently. 4. Digital content and media. Amazon offers digital content and media services such as Prime Video, Prime Music, Kindle e-books, and Audible audiobooks. These services allow customers to stream or download movies, TV shows, music, books, and audiobooks across various devices. 5. Devices and hardware. Amazon manufactures and sells its own line of devices, including the popular Amazon Echo smart speakers powered by the voice assistant Alexa. It also offers Kindle e-readers, Fire tablets, Fire TV streaming devices, and other hardware products. 6. Marketplace and third-party sellers. In addition to selling products directly, Amazon operates a marketplace platform that enables third-party sellers to list and sell their products on the site. This has contributed to the platform's immense product selection and marketplace ecosystem. Amazon's success is attributed to its customer-centric approach, focus on innovation, and continuous expansion into new markets and industries. The company has also ventured into areas such as grocery delivery, Amazon Fresh, pharmacy services, Amazon Pharmacy, smart home devices, Ring, and more. Furthermore, Amazon has made significant acquisitions over the years, including Whole Foods Market, an upscale grocery store chain, and Twitch, a popular live streaming platform for gamers, among others. Overall, Amazon has transformed the retail landscape, disrupted traditional business models, and become a global powerhouse in e-commerce, cloud computing, and digital content. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.